Do you ever look at a new To-Do app and think to yourself, my God, this is the technology I have been waiting for. All the other To-Do apps I've used in the past, they were not good enough. And that's the reason why my to-dos were not being done. But this time I'm going to really organize my to-dos. I'm going to call my mom, go to the gym, get groceries, get 10 minutes of meditation, and it's going to happen. I was just missing the right app. Let me tell you something. It's never going to happen. You're never going to find one app that can hold all your to-dos. And there's 3 reasons why. There's just too many choices. Our minds can easily choose between option A and option B. Well, maybe if there are like 3 or 4 options. But when we're given 20 choices, we can't make sense out of them. And that's what To-Do apps do to us. They show us a long list of items that we have to do. All of the tasks will take different amount of time and will have different level of priorities. So let's say you have one task to watch a video and to write an essay. You're always going to pick the one which takes less amount of time. Similarly, if there's a hobby that you want to pick and it's not your main job, you're always going to deprioritize it. And that's the reason why To-Do apps are not meant to hold your hobby projects. And this is my biggest one. It's the context loss. When we add an item to our to-do list, there's a reason why it came up to us. Maybe this was the reason why you wanted to do it or how you wanted to do it. And just add one line or few words and then you're done with it, because the to-do apps you have require like a one-liner for you to do it. My approach to managing my to-dos is to manage it in my calendar. That's right. I have meetings from 10 to 12, and then there's an item that I have to do. I will add it at 1 p.m. So it's a block in there. Some things will take 10 minutes, so I will add it accordingly. Some things will take 3 hours, so I will book a whole afternoon for that. And if I cannot find a real-time block in my calendar, that just means it's never going to happen. And that is the reason why I see so many people looking at their backlogs and kind of cursing them that they're not able to do it. But the reality is that they're just too busy. So forget the To-Do apps and start using a calendar today.